Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying permissions and opening both Outlook and the Jira issue. Make sure you can create or edit attachments in that project. Without rights, nothing will save. With the email selected in Outlook, copy its subject or note the Jira issue key so you can target the correct issue. Once done, prepare the file. If you need the email as ML or PDF, export or drag it to a local folder. This saves time and prevents errors in the next step. You now attach the saved email file directly to the Jira issue. If your email client supports drag and drop, drag the ML or PDF into the issue attachments area. This is fastest and preserves content. If drag and drop fails, click Attach, select the file, and upload. While uploading, add a concise comment explaining why the email matters and reference key lines. This helps reviewers find context faster. Make sure the file you finish by confirming the attachment is visible and opens correctly from the Jira issue. Test the file to ensure headers and body are intact. If the upload failed, re-export the email as ML or PDF, clear your browser cache or switch browsers. Sometimes small client or size limits block uploads. If problems persist, compress the file or split content, then retry. Finally, post a comment tagging stakeholders so they know the email is attached and what to review next.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.